Okay, it's April 18th, and there's major chemtrailing about to hit California again. And here, let me show you. Goes west in water vapor mode, and look at this, just really terrible. These are all chemtrails just happening in the last 2 hours. So this is going to be rolling into, well, you know, they're putting more and more, these big long lines, more and more and more up here. So that's interesting. I don't know what that means, but it looks like they may be harping this low pressure out in the Pacific. Because if we look at this thing here, this is a nice powerful low. So maybe they want to build a reflector here so they can have both harps hit it before it comes into British Columbia and makes just a ton of rain. Okay, so there's big chemtrailing going there. And you know, here's the chemtrailing I just showed you. I think I zoomed too far. Okay, and the interesting thing is what's happening in the States is, look at this weird thing in the Texas Panhandle. They're always focused on the Texas Panhandle. But look at this weird drying out. So, you know, and I just looked for the Haarp signal and it's not there. So, but I don't think that's natural, because look at this. Here we can see here's that same kind of a dry bar. It's like sweeping right here through Colorado. That's just weird. And again, there's nothing at the surface or in the jet stream that will cause this dry falling air. So that appears to be Haarp. That looks to be Haarp trying to kill whatever that rain system is right there. Again, you know, there's lots of wheat, and you know, winter wheat in Kansas cannot have that stuff feeding the American people. You know, they probably got calls on winter wheat, so they can make sure it's a bad crop, so that those calls get very valuable come like June 1st when it's harvested. These are gangsters, folks, but far worse, they're genocidal. They're genocidal gangsters. Alrighty, so that's about all that's happening that's obvious this morning. So, but that's just amazing. I mean, you know, we see like a broom sweeping the clouds right here in North Texas, and then this same broom is there moving, sweeping the clouds up in Colorado now. And I just checked, and there's no Haarp signal in the Texas Panhandle. So that's what's going on. We'll check with you later. Thanks.